Hello and welcome to Tech Podcasts, Dev Technosys. I'm your host, Yash, and today we're talking about one of the most impactful technologies of our time, the Internet of Things, or simply IoT. From smart homes to connected vehicles and even smart cities, IoT is quietly weaving together a fully digital world. It's changing how we interact with technology and how technology interacts with us. To explore this fascinating topic, I'm joined by Daniel, an IoT architect who's been helping global businesses develop connected solutions across industries. Daniel, welcome to the show.
Thanks, Yash. It's great to be here. IoT really is one of those technologies that you can see, touch, and experience every day. Whether it's a smartwatch tracking your health, a car sending live diagnostics to your phone, or a factory using sensors to monitor production.
Right.
We're surrounded by connected systems that make life simpler, faster, and smarter.
That's so true. I think most people use IoT devices without even realizing it. But from a business perspective, what makes IoT such a powerful technology?
The real power of IoT lies in data, and more importantly, how that data is used. When devices communicate with each other, they generate a continuous stream of information.
The data stream.
This data helps businesses make better decisions, predict outcomes, and automate tasks. For example, with IoT-powered predictive maintenance, factories can prevent equipment failures before they happen. That's efficiency, safety, and cost saving combined.
It's fascinating how something as simple as a sensor can transform entire operations. I've noticed IoT being adopted across multiple sectors: healthcare, logistics, retail, even agriculture. What's driving this cross-industry adoption?
The key driver is accessibility. IoT technology has become more affordable and scalable. Cloud computing, edge processing, and 5G have made it easier to connect and analyze data from anywhere.
That makes sense.
At Dev Technosys, we've worked with clients who started small, say a smart warehouse monitoring system, and then expanded it into a full-scale logistics management network. Once businesses see the ROI from automation and data insights, they quickly scale up.
That's a great example of how IoT grows with the business. But with millions of connected devices, security must be a big concern. How are companies addressing that?
You're right, Yash. IoT security is critical. Every connected device is a potential entry point for cyber threats. That's why encryption, authentication, and regular firmware updates are so important.
Of course.
Smart businesses are also adopting blockchain-based IoT systems, where every transaction between devices is securely verified. Companies like Dev Technosys prioritize data security from the very start of the development process. It's built into the architecture, not added later.
That's smart thinking. I also think IoT isn't just about technology. It's about creating experiences. Like when a smart home adjusts lighting, temperature, and even music to your mood, it's a seamless blend of comfort and intelligence.
Exactly. That's what makes IoT so special. It bridges the gap between the digital and physical worlds. The next phase will be even more exciting, integrating IoT with artificial intelligence and machine learning.
AI and machine learning.
Imagine devices that don't just collect data, but also learn from it. Smart traffic systems that adapt to congestion in real time, or healthcare wearables that detect illness before symptoms appear. That's the true power of IoT.
It's incredible how far we've come from simple internet connections to a fully interconnected ecosystem. Before we wrap up, Daniel, what advice would you give to businesses planning to invest in IoT solutions?
Start with a clear objective. Don't just connect devices. Connect data with purpose. Focus on solving a specific problem first, like asset tracking or energy optimization.
Right, a clear objective.
Choose reliable technology partners who understand scalability and security, and always plan for integration. IoT should fit seamlessly into your existing ecosystem. Teams like Dev Technosys specialize in building end-to-end IoT solutions that evolve with your business goals.
Fantastic advice, Daniel. IoT truly is redefining what it means to live in a connected world. Thanks for joining us today and sharing your insights.
Thanks, Yash. Always a pleasure discussing technology that's shaping our future.
And to our listeners, if you are ready to explore IoT-powered innovation for your business, visit devtechnosis.com and learn how you can turn your connected ideas into reality. That's all for today's episode of Tech Podcasts Dev Technosys. Stay connected, stay inspired.